Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. By the way, to my subscribers, welcome. Thank you very much for coming back. So if you are new to this my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I need you to click on the subscribe button, then click comment, share, and let's get started. We will be analyzing our forex market, which will be our USD. Now we can see, first of all, we'll be analyzing our USD index. Like I said, if you watch my video previously, I said that we are actually going bullish, right? That our index is actually going bullish. But before you actually see that bullish move, we would actually see that a pullback, and we actually got the pullback. On Monday, we had that bullish move. Then on Tuesday, Wednesday, we had that pullback we are waiting for before you continue having that bullish move. That is what I said. Those of you who watched my video last week should be able to testify to it. So if you have not watched it, you can actually go back and watch it, by the way. So my previous weekly video that I did. Now let's see, what do you think our price will actually be moving this week? I so probably see a continual bullish move, by the way. I feel that since we have had this pullback, I feel that we will continue pushing up, then we will have another pullback again. That is exactly what I am saying. On this my 4 hour time frame, you see that we've had this pullback. You can see that our price has broken above this our area here, right here. Then we should be able to have a pullback. We should continue going bullish. Then when we have that pullback, we should have the pullback around this our area here before you actually go bullish. Let me see on my weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame for this week, we are actually bullish on it, by the way. Do not forget, we will actually be going bullish, but we would, after a little bit of bullish move, we would have the pullback, then continue bullish move on our USD index for this week. By the way, that is exactly what I am planning to trade and what our price will actually be giving us for this week. Let's see if our price actually push down. Then when we have that pullback, then we should add the pullback to this our area here. Then continue, bullish move on our US index. That's exactly what we'll be planning to trade. Now let's see, our first currency pair for the week is our Euro USD. By the way, like I said, we are actually going bullish, right? Then we will actually have that pullback, and we've actually gotten the pullback. By the way, we've actually gotten the pullback. Now we are actually continuing going bearish. Let us see if we will continue going bearish. Then when we have that pullback, when a drop pullback, which will give us a drop on our USD index, then we actually see it reflects on our Euro USD, whereby our Euro USD, our Euro actually give us that push up before we actually continue push down. So basically, on our Euro USD, we are actually still going on, bearish on our Euro USD. As you can see on our daily time frame here, our price has broken below this our area here. Definitely, let's see if you continue, going bearish, then we would actually have a pullback coming back to it. It's this our area, giving us probably like a double, top. And let's see if you continue, going down, probably maybe something like, giving us a ranging market move. Probably that's what our price can actually give us, where we see a little bit of drop, a pullback, a little, and then drop, and probably a pullback again. That is exactly what I think might be happening this week. But let's see how our price plays out. By the way, we are going bearish before we actually see a pullback. We should be up. Same thing with our pound. Let me mark this, our pound USD. Let's see if our price will actually push and hit this my area here. We see, as you can see, our price continue to push down, hit this my area here. Then probably we would actually see, a pullback. Then we would see a continuous, push up before you actually now see that reversal. Before you can actually now start looking for a reversal move on our pound USD, by the way. So let's see if there's any possibility that our price can actually hit this our liquidity level here. Our price can actually hit this our liquidity level here before we actually now see that, reversal move, whereby our trend can now start going up. By the way, we are still going a little bit of bearish on our pound USD. By the way, a little bit of bearish move before we actually now see that, uptrend move on our pound USD. So above all, on our daily time frame, we are still bearish. On our 4-hour time frame, same thing, we are still bearish. But see, you see the pullback we've gotten here, and we actually see the drop. Let's continue see if the let's continue if we get a little more drop before we actually now see that pullback upward, and a continuous drop. Exactly. Let's see how our price will place out by the way, but above all, we are going down before we actually go up a little bit and see a fall. That is exactly what we want to be seeing on our daily time frame on our pound USD. Our next one is our USDJPY. Like I said, on my previous video, I said we would probably want to be seeing a drop, and I thought that we would actually be getting a drop to this our area here, but we actually did not get it. We got it to this our previous higher high. That's why we got our pullback to this our area here, and guess what, we are actually going bullish now. So we are waiting for a price to our price to actually break above this our area here before we can continue. We will probably take our buy position upward or confirm it as a continuous uptrend, or if possibly we don't have that break, then we can actually see a double top and actually now see that pullback that we are having, that we are planning. We are saying that probably will be seen on our USD, whereby our USD will push up a little bit before you actually see that fall. Probably let's see if our it will be able to reflect on our USD JPY, whereby we will see a little bit of push up before you actually see that fall, or probably we'll see that breakout, then we'll actually not see that pullback on our USD JPY. But let's see how our price plays out for this week. So on our 4-hour time frame too, we are still actually bullish. We are still going bullish on our USD JPY. Next is our USD CAD. As you can see, definitely I want to be going up on my USD before I actually see that drop. By the way, if you are to look at it, you will see that we are actually ranging around this our area here, and we can see that our price has gotten to this our resistance. We will want to be seeing that drop, and when we are seeing that drop on our USD index or on our USDPA, we'll be able to see that it will be able to reflect here very well on our USD CAD. That is exactly what I feel might happen. We would see a good massive amount of drop on our USD CAD in this week, by the way. So let's see a bullish move upward, then we will actually now see that fall on our daily time frame. Now let's see on our 4-hour time frame. Basically, we would want to be going up. See here, we would want to be seeing that rejection around this area here. A rejection to this area here. Let's see our price falls on our 4-hour time frame, which is showing us a ranging market move. See on our daily time frame, you can see it, our price is actually going giving us this ranging move on our USDJPY. So we should be prepared for another drop on our USD CAD. Now on our AUDUSD, we can see we should actually be seeing a drop to this our area here before we actually now see that push up to this our area here again. That's exactly what I am aiming. A little bit of drop on our AUDUSD, then we actually now see that push up. Exactly what I am planning to trade. I am planning to take my trade up on my AUDUSD, but before I probably be taking my buy, I should actually be seeing a drop, a come down to this my area here where price has reacted to my support here, where has given me a support here. Probably it should come and give us another third support here before we actually see that push up on our daily time frame. You can, if you are to mark this area, you can mark this place as like a ranging move. You can see support, resistance here, support, probably a breakout, but you can still give it as a resistance, even soft, even here. So probably let's see a drop, a little bit of drop before we actually not take our buy position. Same thing with our 4-hour time frame. What our 4-hour time frame is actually showing us a little bit of drop before we actually now go up on our AUDUSD. Next pair is our New Zealand USD. By the way, I'm aiming to take it up on my New Zealand USD because I feel that very soon we will be having that drop on our USD. So that is why when we are having that drop, then definitely we'll be seeing that push on our New Zealand USD. So I am planning to actually take my trade up. I think the selling of selling point or the market structure for our New Zealand is actually going is ready to be it's almost over. We can mark it as the lowest place where price has hit as our support. So actually we got into this area, and let me zoom it a little bit. We've actually gotten to this area. What are we waiting for? We are aiming for a push up on our, probably if we can get our push up to this area here, then we actually opt out and take our profits, and or we can possibly push up a little bit and opt out here to take our profits on our New Zealand USD. Same thing with our 4-hour time frame. What our price is actually showing us, we will want to be aiming to take our buy on our New Zealand USD. And lastly, our pair for today is our USD Swiss franc, because but definitely you can see we are actually having a very huge push up on our USD Swiss franc. So by the way, I want to see a little bit of push up, which will be reflecting on our index, right? A little bit of push up, then in this good amount of drop and continue bullish move. Above all, a little bit of push up, then we actually see a drop before we actually continue our bullish move upward on our USD Swiss franc. Same thing my 4-hour time frame is showing me. As you can see on the long run, we are actually bullish on our USD Swiss franc. So let's see our 1-hour time frame. Same thing here. You can actually see that price was strategy, but above all, let's see if you actually be able to get that break above or continue push up, then we actually now see that fall on our USD Swiss franc. So that's our analysis for today. If you for this week, by the way. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.